Today I am reviewing the Shark PowerPro Reveal Plus Cordless Vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Shark PowerPro Reveal Plus Cordless Vacuum IZ376H is a powerful, feature-packed cordless vacuum designed to make everyday cleaning faster, easier, and more effective. It combines strong suction, smart detection technology, and user-friendly design into one sleek and modern cleaning tool, making it an excellent choice for homes with pets, carpets, and a mix of hard floors. One of the most impressive features of this vacuum is its HyperVelocity suction power. This delivers strong and consistent cleaning performance, allowing you to easily pick up dirt, dust, crumbs, and debris from both carpets and hard floors. Whether you're dealing with everyday messes or more stubborn debris, the suction strength ensures a deep and thorough clean every time. Another standout innovation is the Dirt Reveal technology. This feature uses built-in lighting to illuminate hidden dust and dirt that you might otherwise miss. It's especially useful in darker areas like under furniture, corners, or low-light spaces. Once you see how much dirt is actually on your floors, you'll appreciate just how effective this vacuum is at cleaning what you can't see. Complementing that is the FloorDetect technology, which automatically senses the type of surface you're cleaning and adjusts the brush roll speed accordingly. This means you don't have to manually switch settings when moving from carpet to hard floors. The vacuum does the work for you, ensuring optimal cleaning performance on every surface without interruption. If you have pets or long hair, you'll especially appreciate the self-cleaning brush roll with no hair wrap. Hair tangles are one of the most frustrating issues with vacuums, but this system is designed to actively prevent that. It continuously removes hair from the brush roll, reducing maintenance and keeping performance consistent over time. The vacuum also features a HEPA filtration system with a completely sealed design, which captures and traps over 99.97% of dust and allergens. This is a huge benefit for anyone with allergies or sensitivities, as it helps ensure that dust and particles stay inside the vacuum instead of being released back into the air. It contributes to a cleaner and healthier indoor environment overall. In terms of battery life, the vacuum offers up to 40 minutes of runtime, which is generally enough for cleaning multiple rooms or even an entire small to medium-sized home. The cordless design gives you complete freedom of movement without worrying about plugging and unplugging or dealing with tangled cords. This makes cleaning much more convenient and less time-consuming. Another useful feature is the built-in LED headlights on the floor head. These lights help illuminate dark areas under furniture or in dimly lit rooms, making it easier to spot dust and debris that might otherwise go unnoticed. Combined with Dirt Reveal technology, this ensures a more thorough cleaning experience. Versatility is another strong point of this vacuum. It easily converts into a handheld vacuum, allowing you to clean more than just floors. With the included accessories, such as the crevice tool and upholstery tool, you can clean furniture, car interiors, tight spaces, and even countertops with ease. This makes it a multi-purpose cleaning solution rather than just a floor vacuum. The included attachments are practical and well-designed. The crevice tool helps you reach narrow spaces like between couch cushions or along baseboards, while the upholstery tool is great for cleaning fabric surfaces like sofas, chairs, and mattresses. These tools expand the vacuum's functionality and make it more versatile for everyday cleaning tasks. In terms of usability, the vacuum is lightweight and easy to maneuver. Its cordless design means you can move freely around your home without being restricted by power outlets. This makes it especially convenient for cleaning stairs, tight corners, and multi-level homes. The overall build quality feels solid and durable, and the design is modern and visually appealing with its sleek charcoal finish. It's a vacuum that not only performs well, but also looks good while doing it. Maintenance is also relatively simple. The dust bin is easy to empty, and the filters can be cleaned and reused, helping reduce long-term costs. The self-cleaning brush roll further reduces the need for frequent manual maintenance, which is a big plus for busy households. Of course, like any cordless vacuum, runtime can vary depending on the power setting and surface type. But for most everyday cleaning needs, the 40-minute battery life is more than sufficient. The convenience and performance it offers make it a strong competitor in the cordless vacuum category. Overall, the Shark PowerPro Reveal Plus cordless vacuum is a highly capable and well-rounded cleaning tool. It combines powerful suction, intelligent floor detection, advanced filtration, and convenient cordless operation into one efficient package. If you're looking for a reliable vacuum that can handle multiple floor types, tackle pet hair, improve air quality, and simplify your cleaning routine, this model is an excellent choice that delivers strong performance and modern features and user-friendly design.